10th standard linear equation. Now consider this 12th sum. Places x and y are 100 km apart on the highway. One car starts from x and another car starts from y at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? They're asking. Okay, so now we have to find the speed of the two cars. This also speed distance problem. They given that two cars starts from x and y places. Here x, here y. You just consider these two are the places. One car starts from here and another car starts from here. If the two cars starts in the same direction, that is if the two cars go in the same direction, suppose x is going in this direction, y also go in the same direction. Road is like this. This is the road. Okay, here x also go in this direction, y also goes in this direction. So what will happen? These two persons will meet at any one of the place, this side, right? So x will come here, in the same time y will also come here. They both will meet here. Okay, this is the terminating point. At this point they are meeting. Suppose this is the road, x is here and y is here, that is place, x place and y place is here. This car, one car is going in this direction, another car is coming in this direction, so both will meet at this place, correct? So any one of the place they will meet. This is the meeting point. So which will take more time, which will take less time? If it goes in the same direction, takes more time. If it comes in opposite direction, they will meet quickly, correct? Both of them are going in the same direction, means they will meet at one particular point, but they will take too much of time. Suppose both of them are coming in opposite direction, they will meet quickly. So here I don't know what is the speed of this car, x and y, I don't know. So I am taking let speed of car x is equal to x kilometer per hour. Speed of car y is equal to y kilometer per hour. Two cars speed x and y I am taking. Okay, right. So now what they given, the distance between these two places is 100 kilometer they given. Here also 100 kilometer. Okay, the total time taken to meet, both of them meet, if it is going in the same direction, means they given 5 hours. This takes 5 hours. In this opposite direction it takes only 1 hour. Okay, within 1 hour they are meeting. Here in this opposite same direction it takes 5 hours. Okay, from this situation we have to form the linear equation. How can you form the linear equation? See here, actually x and y both of them are meeting here after 5 hours. That means what? The first car x travels 5 hours, car y also travels 5 hours, because both of them started at same time. So that car x also travels 5 hours, car y also travels 5 hours, correct? So distance traveled by x minus distance traveled by y, if you minus means you will get this 100 kilometer, correct? I am finding this distance only. So how can you find this distance? From here to here, from here to here, subtract these two, you will get this one, correct? So that distance traveled by x is nothing but what? 5 hours with the speed x, so 5x. According to the question, 5x is the distance traveled by the car x minus 5y is equal to 100. Why I subtract these two? From here to here, this distance only 100, that's why This total distance is 5x. This distance is 5y. So 5x minus 5y is 100. Here this distance from here to here, the car x travels from here to here, car y travels from here to here, 1 hour. So 1x plus 1y, correct? 1x plus 1y is equal to same 100. So this we can simplify. How can we simplify? Divide by 5 means x minus y is equal to divide by 5, 20. This is first equation and this is second equation. If you solve these two, it is very simple. If you solve these two, you will get x and y. That x is speed of the first car, y is speed of the second car. That's all.